In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync your Underground Prepper data across multiple devices. Whether you're setting up a new phone, adding the app on a second device, or helping a family member get set up, the process starts with a .prep backup file from your primary device. This process is the same whether you're on desktop or mobile. The steps are identical across all platforms. Start on your primary device, navigate to Settings, click the Backup tab, and select Export Backup. Click Export Backup to begin. You'll be shown your 12-word recovery phrase. Write it down and keep it safe. You'll need it to restore on the other device. Click I've written this down, Export Now, and save the .prep file wherever accessible, such as a cloud storage folder or by sending it to yourself via email. Now on the second device, there are 3 ways to restore depending on the situation. Let's walk through each one. Scenario 1, fresh install. If the app has just been installed and no account exists yet, open the app and you'll see the home page. Click the Restore Backup button in the top navigation. You'll be taken to the Restore Backup page. Click Restore from Backup. This option is for restoring a .prep backup file from another device. Click Select .prep file and choose the backup file you transferred from your primary device. Enter your 12-word recovery phrase and click Decrypt. Once decrypted, you'll see a confirmation showing when the backup was exported. Click Restore My Data and your full account and inventory will be restored on this device. Scenario 2, access was revoked. If an account administrator removes a member's access, that member will no longer see their name on the member list when they open the app. To get back in and pull the latest data, they can use Check for Updates from Server or Restore from Prep File. We'll cover the Check for Updates from Server option in the server backup video. The restore flow is the same from here. Select the prep file, enter the 12-word recovery phrase, decrypt, and restore. Scenario 3, already logged in as a member. If you're already logged into the app on a second device, navigate to Backup and Recovery in the left navigation. Members will see 2 options, Import Backup and Server Pool. Click Import Backup, select the .prep file, enter your 12-word recovery phrase, and click Decrypt and Preview. Once decrypted, you'll be given the option to wipe and restore the database. Whichever method you use, once the restore is complete, your data will be fully up to date on the new device. Make it a habit to export a fresh .prep backup anytime you make significant changes in your inventory. That way your other devices are always just a restore away from being current.